So guys, after ko mag-photoshoot, kumain kami sa... Saan tayo kumain? Nico.
Sorry. Sorry iba na pala yun.
Pinago niya. Thank you. Ano kaya sa tingin mo? Ha? Pagdan ko lang ako. Isa-isa mo. With Jaja, inagaw niya yung drinks ko. Mama, Kaka, Ella, Kuya Kim, and of course my camera woman. Pakita ka naman natin.
Hello!
Nagkamali ako, sorry.
Ang sosong pangit.
Welcome to my vlog. I love you. Okay, kasi mo
What's up guys? Today is April 5 and we just got back from our beach trip sa Pangasinan. And look at this, oh, nagka-sunburn ako sa shoulders kasi hindi ako nakapag-sunscreen sa body, pero hindi nakalimutan mag-sunscreen sa face. So ayun, nagstay kami sa Sierra Vista Resort and I'm gonna upload another vlog separated about that trip. And ang alam ko, despedida yon ng kuya ko, tsaka bonding namin with family. And surprise para din sa birthday ko yon kasi meron akong cake and pinagkanta nila ako. And today, I'm gonna show you yung mga gifts that I received. We're going to have a birthday gift haul. So let's start. First of all guys, I received DJ Osmo Nano. Advance ko tong nakuha before pa yung birthday ko. Kasi, this is so unexpected. Hindi kasama yung tripod ako bumili nito. Thank you so much, mother. So, tapos, she also bought me sandals. Ito eh. Ito, my dress. This is it. second set. So, we have here. Ito guys. Ang cute to. Next is from Celine guys. Pero, bumili din pala ako ng tripod from Ulanzi. Ito, tsaka ito. Dalawang tripod from Ulanzi. Ito, binili ko to for myself. Celine guys, another sandals from Mama. Let's open it. Ito guys, ito naman medyo mataas. Ayan. Makeup sponge from Aika. Thank you ka. And I have different makeup here guys. Marami akong na-receive na makeup guys from different persons. So, first, we have here yung blush ng Pink Flush. Ito guys is from Aika. Yan. Blush. Next one is face powder from Atenes. Thank you. I'm not gonna open it na guys. This one naman is liquid blush from Nest again. Tapos, ito is another sponge na triangle. Ito is from Nest again. Thank you so much. Tapos siya rin yung nag-makeup sa akin sa aking photoshoot. The next one, ito, pang skincare daw to, pero hindi ko pa to nagagamit. This is from Kayla. Thank you, Ella. She is my pamangkin / inaanak. Tapos, ito, sa kanya din to galing. Ito naman is lip balm na may SPF from Vice Cosmetics. Itong mirror is from Ella. Maganda siya kasi compact lang. And nilagay niya ng stickers, Hello Kitty and stars. Then lastly guys, binili ko para sa sarili ko is brush na lalagyanan ng makeup. Lagyan ng makeup guys. Ayan. Ito, I bought it for myself. And another brush. Ito naman toiletry. Ito. Ayan. So, that's all guys. And I just want to say thank you sa lahat ng greetings, sa gifts, and love and support. Bye!